refugee gi illegal immigration gi terrorism si hengatli mi mayam du ka pulap tor terrorism yam chang some section of the society na moi ba target taw ni khan ba si yam laibuk thi ni thamaga na phajan thamsi thamoya de nampuda border de gi push back taw ta Churachandpur 150 Kangpokpi dam ani aina khan badi masig data sidi lan ngani chichumoi maram di aigi kamjong da 6199 lerga how come real battlefield gi manakta leriba Chandel da Churachandpur da sikhak oiram ngani habsidi ai thajabu kharwatli ado kamjong da leribi singduna shift tawraga Chandel da la adi Chandel gi administration duna biometric biometric pai bra pai dabra habsi karamai khangni nahan kamjong da gi nearly 2000 shift tawre kadai chakre si Chandel da report thokte Churachandpur da se reflect tawde Manipur da leri base illegal immigration se masigi illegal immigration se since the early part of 18th century as they thorok ne where are the datas honorable speaker sir 10 na hotna jabne
minute ranga di sure
sir 10 tension na batawje ke honorable speaker si yamna important oibne si akhoi state ki issue kan world ki taibang ki India ki issue ni se changak pa mayam se thingse haiba ta di moi bo sendan hajira tanhandaba moi mafam du da chap chan thamgado loitering tawhandaba chathandaba immigration haibisi legal amalai illegal amalai law aying ni matung ina changak palai law na sneak in tawba changak pa mayam nei ngasi Manipur da akhoi da thoriba asi especially ai kamjong si sida prominent on thore illegal changak pa impact si world view da amta aina hijacking badi si number 1 da national security the threat leba was criminal activities hengat leba organized crime masi hengat pani ado terrorism si hengat li infiltration do mi mayam do ka pulap tor terrorist mayam chang maru ena demographic changes lai even political representative ado ka akhoi gi political map how change tawrak ni si illegal immigration kyam thin shok privacy henna kanu moina opportunity do grab taw thoi Manipur ki scenario sida aina hijacking badi hoji ki newspaper report matungina total illegal immigrant level se 10590 le ai aina khan si figure si de rough figure oram gani akhoi detection system like hoji pa NRC su tawdri ado border the system akhoi ki comprehensive oiba realistic oiba yaba policy su sem dri hoji pa kamjong the 6199 lady ai masi the 6199 bu hele off and on khara leiraga biometric khara lawre amuk changakana amuk thokani amuk changani thokani dum off and on sanar leireba aduna exact number to ascertain tawung amdi adu leiriba refugee haitare refugee gi illegal immigration gi law sem dambaramna ada leiribi so shelter home ne harsu khun macha leiriba khun yumla kunthra ni phu yang khai du da leiribi da leiribi sing du da public local sing du da mix up taw leire loi mix up taw taibang ni oibnina luhongba yumban kaiban mayam da loina mix up tawle thabak taw da sum loina mix up tawle loina koi chat chale biometric lawre 5000 hen biometric lawre biometric to asengba biometric to lawraga only and only when those biometric capture tawri bidu kadai da sijin nagni horen Aadhaar sembada passport apply taw khatani leibadi sida free da who is monitoring this sida maru oina haina attention draw tawning medi honorable chief minister August house da draw tawning si yum macha i na kupaga wa na saraga mayam le inhuman subhuman gi type de thamaga na phajan thamsi thamoya de nampuda border de gi push back taw ta Tengnopal 2409 lay ai aduga Chandel da 1895 Churachandpur 150 Imphal West da Taramathoi Kakching da Taruk Ukhul da ahum Kangpokpi da ani Imphal East da ama Thobal da ama Bisnupur da ama aina khan madi masig data sidi da sidi lan ngani chichumoi maram di same stock of people same race same language ngang raga chatpa matamda you can never detect until and unless the people who reside in that area is seriously concerned about this menace of illegal immigration adu khang di bhawa ako detect tawngam adu sin masig data si lalang ni aigi kamjong da 6199 lerga how come real battlefield ki manakta leriba Tengnopal da Chandel da Churachandpur da sikhak oiram ngani habsidi ai thajabu kharwatli ado kamjong da leribi singduna shift tawraga Chandel da la adi Chandel gi administration duna biometric biometric pai bra pai dabra habsi karamai khangni until and unless biometric anoba capture taw matamda MHA du ga ani du compare taw matamda thorakani ba नहान कमजोंदगी nearly 2000 shift तौरे कदाई चक्रे सी चांदेल दसु रिपोर्ट थोकते तेंगोपल की थोकते चुरचानपुर दसे रिफ्लेक्ट तौदे अदुबु across the border land dum tau leiri aduna masi se manipur da leiri base illegal immigration se aina haijaning badi ngasi gi akhod we are dealing on today's issue only masi gi illegal immigration se since the early part of 18th century as they thorok mane where are the datas adugi primitive I mean remedial measure karai lo khake khoi hoju phau lo de aduna hoji ki honorable speaker sir ten na hotna jabne
minute rang adi sure ko
sir ten san na ba tawje ki honorable speaker sim yamna important oibne si akhoi state ki issue kan world ki taibang ki india ki issue ni se aduna ina haijaning me se honorable speaker sir national issue oibne na asi ki resolve karmai taw se di national commitment dakar oiba every individual se commit oitaba commitment pitaba just leave service na kanoda meeting da assembly da ngang basina natte asi action oriented ta law sem da tobu darkar oiba aduna comprehensive realistic oiba immigration law do illegal immigration law ama semse nrc habisidi changa khraba sing du bo detect taw na bai wani ba adu chang dana badi kari law sem indian foreigners act madu da duna it is not sufficient to deal with this deal taw ngam de aduna sigumba illegal immigration akhoi gi glue gi ta quick fix the phat na pa ya pot na ti sidi it takes time it takes resources it takes commitment J Ramos haina Mexican American journalist amana haiba wa amana liba ma akhoi da sen thum pai raba lan thum leiba mi taw ngam basing gidi illegal immigrant chang basi moi di haraudin they get cheaper labor they have a workforce adubu leijadaba weakest section singdudi competitor yamna pusalakpuneba greatest nation di weakest of the weakest bo yengsan mangambadu greatest nation kawe hana hujik J Ramos na haibe home ministry na RTI reply ama taweba sida kari haibra di manipur irang thok isi NRC tawuni hairisi CAA tawuni hairisi 1964 gi foreigners act na deal taw sufficient ni haiba dardi masi si ngasi thok ibasi thok oidra na khalamani khalini sa aduga akhoi gi assam da yamna go out foreigner haiba gi issue kanu ma yamda thorak pa matam da 36 foreigners tribunal si shemeba aduga in addition to that 64 foreigner tribunal si sanction amuk tawe June 2013 da but influx continues ngasi bhaw influx continue taweba akhoi gi honorable MOS minister amana home na 11 August 2021 da Rajya Sabha da reply taw amle karno mobile data piba aduda network phanghanba asigumba mayam roads karno gumba aduda cell karno yum gumba sabiba surveillance team gi damakta aduga border outpost sembiba aduga strengthening and deploying additional manpower special surveillance equipment adu force multiplier integrated border management system CIBMS asigumba mayam si tawe hayaba now asom da refer taw se akoi gi manipur ga Myanmar border da honorable minister na hari besingsi amata udi adu moi si patrolling chat pase seasonal oiba matam hapta amagum chakani ani go rak chakani lambi le phajan le thong phajan le karmai chakani August house aduga akoi honorable chief minister gi pukning chingsanning badi attention learning badi akoi gi karno sida border area sida infiltrate tarokpa changak pa mayam se thingse haiba taradi number 1 da frame a comprehensive realistic policy for management of illegal border management to prevent illegal immigration shelter homes singdo open exclusive designated shelter homes away from the local residential areas moibu sendan hajira tanhandaba moi mafam du da chap chan thamgado loitering tawhandaba chathandaba asiguma manage tawhaningi mai piba lambi sembiba amadi akoi border roads border outposts border police stations aduga mathangdana akoi gi police strengthen tawhani kamjong district sida police chamgo kunmuk kumlai kharana chuti chakre kharana nare hai kharana problem lai hai physical presence kya legi border shop sang masida border outpost ani ahum already honorable chief minister na hangra thamye aduda leiri si nongmai pai they are not even armed mi mari manga yam khaba maram da mi ani legini
honorable member kitang loisan na tawbido
loisan jare ke sir just 1 minute sir aduna border police station sing se strengthen tawhaningi manpower increase tawhaningi aduga maru oina sina akhoi gi border area se border pillar se since for the past many years neglect tawr lakni border guarding force sing se hana BSF leba matam da border pillar yungma matam da moi si lambi thong lai tamni na akhoi ngam khai phau chatning da bagi moi na mathak ta tawraga a chingthak ta phamaga si border area senior na hai makha yodre traditional boundary duga hojik yungiba boundary se big difference local local residents in villages in yam nungaiti border fencing tawgani hai adu tawdringai mamang da border de chumhan biyo nearly 2-3 kilometers border do mathata kare yungre physical dominance mokoi ne hen tawre akhoi gi di patrolling phau chatre physical dominance tawdre aduna yaraga di border pillar do concern ministry aduga akhoi right authority singa honorable chief minister na sig issue si thangat piraga border dispute si chumhan ba habsi si attention draw to ning mani some section of the society na moi ba target to ni khan ba si yam laibuk thib ni akhoi leiriba manipur de leiriba phurup mayam si mapan da loina manaba phurup leiba khaktan maitai oirasu naga oirasu muslim oirasu kuki oirasu mayam leini illegal immigration applies to everyone leiriba hojik akhoi na recognize tawriba state ta leiriba kuki oirasu naga oirasu maitai oirasu muslim oirasu leiriba singsi akhoi gi sidi legal oiba local singneba tungmang da lakadawrba mi singdu gi damakta akhoi law si CMC habsi ma aga house ta sigi issue si calling attention lo jabne thank you very much